पट्यमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम्।
The northern shrine is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. On the niches of its wall, beautiful females are carved. On the southern lintel, Lord Vishnu on his mount Garud is depicted. On the northern lintel, Sri Krishna, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, is shown killing Kans. On the western pediment, Sri Krishna is shown killing another demon. The door pediment of the shrine has the same image of Lord Vishnu in the incarnation of Narsingh, killing the tyrant king Hiranyakashipu. According to the inscription found on its door frame, an image of Lord Vishnu was established by Prithvindra Pandit, who was a spiritual friend of Yagyavra.
Jayati prathamah punsam yasya shabdagunam padam paramam paramarthajnai sandrishtamiva madhyamam tasya yajnavarahasya sambandhi dharma bandhavah akhyam shri prithivindradhyam panditantamavapayah तेनेह स्थापिता विष्णुः प्रभविष्णुरियं निमा भक्त्या भागवतार्येण सर्वशास्त्रार्थवेदिना.
In the image, the Lord Vishnu is shown with 4 arms. Facing the shrine is situated the Northern Library. Besides holy scriptures, all the worshipping material used to be kept here. Elaborate and meticulous methods as laid down in the scriptures were used to perform the worship. The inscription of 967 AD says that the images of gods and the instruments were all decorated with gold, gems and jewels. The utensils used for worshipping were made of silver and gold. Carved wood decorated the doors and ceilings. According to Indian scriptures, the Lord Vishnu incarnates himself on the earth whenever the evil becomes dominant and prevails upon good. As Lord Krishna, he killed the tyrant king Kans. This story from Sri Bhagavad Puran is depicted on the western door pediment of Southern Library. The Lord Krishna is shown in the palace, killing the tyrant king Kans. It was a prophecy that the king Kans would be killed by one of the children of Devaki, the sister of King Kans. Out of fear, Kans killed all the children of Devaki. The Lord Krishna, born as one of Devaki's children, was, however, saved, and according to prophecy killed Kans to destroy the evil on the earth. On the eastern door pediment of Northern Library is depicted a story from Mahabharata showing Lord Krishna, Arjun, Indra and Nag Takshak. Indra is the god of benevolent and fertilizing rain and sky. Agni, the god of fire, to regain his strength as advised by Lord Brahma, wanted to put Kanda forest on fire. But every time he tried to do so, Indra would put out the fire by pouring torrential rain to save his friend Nag Takshak, who was living in the Kanda forest. The Agni prays to Lord Krishna for help. The Lord Krishna and Arjun then help Agni by preventing Indra's rain through their arrows. The Nag Takshak and other living beings leave the Kanda forest before the fire breaks out. Behind main shrines is located the first western entry tower shrine. According to an inscription on its door frame, Yagyavra established the image of Lord Shiv and Goddess Parvati as Uma Maheshwar, Uma's Lord. It was established by Yagyavra for enhancing the religious merits of his parents.
Tena yajnavarahena पित्रोर्धर्म विवृद्धये उमा महेश्वरनिमे स्थापिते स्थितिवेदिना.
It is a splendid sculpture of seated Lord Shiv holding his consort, Goddess Uma, on his left thigh. The Lord Shiv is shown holding a lotus bud, also shown held by the male and female sculptures carved in the niches of the shrines. The image gives a grandiose impression of grace and ever-deep meditative state of Lord Shiv. The head of the goddess Parvati was later stolen, and today this image lying in the National Museum in Phnom Penh is headless. All the three shrines were guarded by the guardians in pairs. At the time of restoration of Banteswarai temple, all the guardians were placed at their respective places. However, later some of them were damaged and stolen. Now, some of them are moved to museums for their safekeeping. The guardians of Southern Shrine had lion heads,